but I do need you to take your hat off because we are in court.
I'll take my hat off for $500.
Welcome to Courtroom Secrets.
That's one nice.
My name is Fernando Gonzalez, living man.
Very good.
I'm here
And we already have
representing my
appearance of
corporate
Mr.
fiction of the
Duffield.
exact same name.
In regard to the matter for motion to dismiss,
Did you hear me,
Mr.
Your Honor?
Gonzalez,
Your Honor.
I did hear you identify yourself as Fernando Gonzalez. Thank you. Please proceed with your motion
Yes.
for dismissal.
I'm here representing my corporate fiction of the same name, and I'm here to motion.
Well, you're here
I'm
as
here to.
No, you're here as Fernando Gonzalez, because
Right,
if you're
but
not
I'm
here
not-
as Fernando Gonzalez, I will have to issue a bench warrant for Fernando Gonzalez.
You and I both know I'm representing my corporate fiction, the all caps
You
name.
cannot do that. You cannot represent a party other than yourself, sir.
Well, then we got a problem.
You,
then if it's
you,
part-
and you and
challenge
I both,
jurisdiction.
you and I both know that. So
No,
proceeding
that's
as
not true.
Fernando Gonzalez,
If
do
I
you
own
wish
a
to
name-
address your motion for, do you wish to
If I-
address your motion for dismissal?
Yeah, I would like to challenge
Please do
jurisdiction
so.
like you didn't. I'm here by special appearance to challenge jurisdiction and motion to dismiss for lack of jurisdiction. I mean, I've all but trademarked my corporate fiction name. You know, we're going to just have to do this again in 6 months once it's trademarked.
Well, that's not true. Your motion is dismissed and denied because it is not based on any actual recognized legal basis. So in regard to the trial,
I
Mr.
object to that.
Okay,
I
that's
object to
fine.
that
You can
strongly.
object. And upon receipt of your judgment, you can go ahead and file an appeal on that if you so choose, but we are proceeding. Mr. Duffy.
Did you ask the driver for their license and registration?
Yes, I did.
Did the driver provide you such documentation?
I got to object. Your Honor.
And that's he.
What is your objection?
He's labeling me a driver when he has no proof that I was transporting goods, services, or passengers for hire.
Your objection's overruled. Please proceed.
Thank you. Again, did he provide any the documentation that you requested?
When I asked for them, he said that he did not have them, and then he told me he wasn't driving.
Sorry about that. Yeah, I do have a question.
All right.
How did we get this far without establishing jurisdiction?
This jurisdiction is established by the Michigan Constitution. And
Did you get the
this is a
paperwork that
duly
I sent?
recognized court of the state. I've already ruled on that motion, sir. If you wish to address it on appeal, you're welcome to do so. We do have a jurisdiction. Any further questions
you don't
of this
have
witness? Of this witness, do you have any questions of the witness?
Of this witness? No, I don't think I do, other than
All right,
who's
you may step down.
the injured party here? I mean, I would like to cross-examine the injured party, not the police officer that wrote the ticket.
Okay, very good. Anything else you'd like to present, Mr. Gonzalez?
I would like to present the documents that I emailed you earlier with.
We've already
my-
established
my
your
FOIA
motion
request.
for dismissal has been denied.
What
If
about
you
the
wish to
other
address
stuff?
that on appeal, if you wish to address that on appeal, you're welcome to do so. I did receive your lien notice. I have no idea what that is supposed to mean. So anything
Well,
else
which-
you'd like to present to the court?
Which question did you have on the document?
I don't have any questions on it. It
Well, if
is
you don't know
meaningless to
what
me.
that document is, then maybe we should.
Well, the document,
pause for a
sir,
minute and
the
figure it
reason,
out, because
well,
You're
I can
fishing
tell
for
you this,
jurisdiction when you don't
Sir.
have any.
sir,
And
sir.
Your
The
Honor,
document,
we can't
the
proceed.
document.
We can't proceed without
All
jurisdiction.
right, I have an idea, sir. You don't interrupt me, and I'll try not to interrupt you. So go ahead and make, if you've indicated that you didn't have any questions, and that's fine. I told you the reason that in regard to that, the notice of lien you sent, it's a meaningless document from a legal point of view. All right? Anything
Okay.
else you'd
I
like to
don't agree.
establish on the record?
Yeah, what about my
Okay,
FOIA
he has
request?
nothing further. You wish
Yes,
to
I
sum
do.
up any arguments you have?
I object.
Mr. Duffield.
You're not letting me proceed. You're not letting me defend
Sir,
myself.
you're not proceeding. You keep saying you want a motion for dismissal, but I've already
didn't say that.
directed
I mean, I
that is
said it
denied.
but I asked you, did you read the FOIA request that I just sent you a while back?
Sir, no, I did not read a FOIA request because I haven't received one. So I can tell you, and not only that, that would be irrelevant to this proceeding.
How would you know without reading it first?
Anything further?
How would you know without reading it first?
Because a FOIA request in regard to this matter, we are talking about a trial for driving with a license suspended. Do you have anything pertinent to that in regard to this trial?
Yeah, the FOIA request that I sent you. Pretty much
anything other than that, sir. I am deeming that to be irrelevant. You can take that up on appeal as well. You can take that up on appeal as well. Well, sir, we're on trial. You don't file things a moment before a trial and then expect the court to receive it. First of all, we didn't receive it. But in any event, sir, I've already made my ruling. Do you have, sir? I'm not going to argue with you. The matter that is disposed of, you can address it on appeal.
That's why we're here today, is to argue.
Sir,
now, listen,
sir, you can address it on appeal.
You
can address it on appeal, sir.
You want to get out of this so bad, you don't even want to fight with me on this, or what?
I don't want to fight with you at all, because that's nonsense. I don't want to fight with you. I have nothing against you, sir. I'm just asking you to proceed with pertinent information.
Well, how would you know if something's pertinent if you don't look at it?
That's enough. Any argument pertinent to the case, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yeah. I thought this case was squashed a long time ago, or else I would have prepared for trial, which I never even consented to last time I challenged jurisdiction. I should get more time to defend myself if this case is going to be going forward without me being able to defend myself. That's not fair. I thought this case was squashed the moment I sent that ticket back with all rights reserved.
Well, that's
with 72 hours.
And, so that is you've known this case has been pending. This case has actually been pending since 2022.
That's not my fault.
I rescinded that is indeed your
72 hours.
In any event,
your guys.
I do find that the people have proven their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Please, Ms. Card, go ahead and. Well, okay, he stopped. I do find that he's guilty in this matter. Fines are $250. State costs $50. Court costs $200. Crime victim right fee of $75.
You don't have my consent on any of this.
And $150 in bench warrant fees.
And I want my bail back too. That
would be then a total of $725, and I'll give you 90 days to take care of that. Is there bond? Is there actually bond that's been posted? We have $300 bond. We'll apply a bond.
I object to that.
And we're applying it
for a victimless crime. That's
remaining balance of $425 is due within 90 days.